Hello and welcome back to Facebook Mastery. Today we're going to learn how you can post jobs on your Facebook page, specifically your Facebook business page. Right? Now first, go to your Facebook page. Now, first you need to have this job button on your Facebook business page. And to do that, you'll have to go to Settings, Templates and Tabs, and then make sure your current template is business. Just click edit and choose business. Alright, once that's done, go back to your business page and click this button, job, and fill in the information. First, the job title, I'll just put photographer, and put the address that the person will be working at. I'll just put some random address. Put the salary in, minimum 200, maximum 500 I guess, per hour. Okay, job, this is job time, full-time, part-time. Just leave it at full-time. And this is where you're going to describe their job. Pictures and edit them. Okay, and as you can see here, you can also put in application questions, but I'm going to leave it. You can also upload a photo. I'm going to leave it for now. Now on the receive application by email, put in the email. Alright, done, and click post job. As you can see here, job post created, people can apply for 30 days and I'll receive the invitation in my inbox. Here it is. Now thank you very much for watching this video. If you find it useful, please like it and subscribe. Thank you for watching.